Hi everyone, today I am going to show you a solution of unable to create a new partition on your PC. I show you the error again. This is unallocated partition. Right click here, click new simple volume and click next and then click next. Choose the sign later, then click next. Choose NTFS and then click next. And click finish and showing the error. If you click save, again next error. So fixing this error, click search bar and type here CMD and then right click CMD option, click run as administrator. Type here disk part, then type again list list space disk disk. I have one hard disk volume 149 GB. To know the details of this hard disk, you have to select. So type here select disk 0 and press enter. Disk 0 is now selected. Type again list partition list list partition and hit enter key. This hard disk is showing here 4 partitions. 3 partitions are primary and 1 partition is recovery. We have to delete this recovery partition. For that select partition, press enter key. Sorry, type wrong spelling, so type properly. Select partition 3 and press enter key. After select, you have to delete this partition. For deletions, type here delete partition overwrite and press enter key. Yes, this partition successfully deleted. To exit, type exit and hit enter key. Again, I try new partitions, so right click on this unallocated partition, then click new simple volume and then click next and then click again next. I choose the Z and then click next and file system and TFS and then click next and click finish. Process done. That's how you could solve new partitions error. Thank you.